Your team pays for Jira every single month, and if we are honest, half of you still hates opening it. The boards feel heavy, the configuration is a part-time job, and the bill only ever goes up. So here is the alternative. Plain is the open source project management platform that replaces Jira, Linear, Monday, and ClickUp in one workspace, and you can self-host the whole thing for nothing. No per seat pricing, no vendor lock-in, just your team's work on your own infrastructure. Let me show you why 52,000 developers are paying attention. Plain has crossed 52,000 stars on GitHub, which makes it one of the most popular project management tools in the entire open source world. It launched back in 2022 and has been climbing fast ever since, picking up a serious following of teams who were tired of the usual options. But here's the thing, stars are a popularity contest, and popularity is not why a team actually rips out the tool they already use. The real reason teams switch to Plain comes down to one specific thing, and I will show you exactly what it is before the end of this video. Keep it in the back of your mind, because once you see it, the per seat invoices from the other guys start to look a little ridiculous. Here is Plain running right in a mobile browser. No app install needed. Notice how clean it is. Your projects, cycles, and issues all live in one workspace instead of being scattered across 5 different tabs. The same work can be viewed as a Kanban board, a list, a spreadsheet, or a full Gantt chart, and you just flip between them depending on how you think. There is a built-in wiki, so your docs sit right next to the work that created them, and Plain AI can read across every project, cycle, and thread to help you plan. It honestly feels less like heavyweight enterprise software and more like a tool your team will actually want to open in the morning. Triage an issue, drag a card across a cycle, drop a comment, check a sprint's progress, all from your phone in a few taps. And because this is just the mobile web, there is nothing to install, and the exact same experience follows you from your laptop to your phone and back without missing a beat. Now, before you trust a tool with your team's entire roadmap, it is fair to ask who actually built it. Plain is not a weekend side project that disappears in 6 months. It is built in the open by the Make Plain team, backed by a real company and a community of contributors from around the world. They develop everything publicly on GitHub, ship releases on a steady cadence, and respond to issues out in the open where you can see it. When you self-host software, that transparency is not a nice to have, it is the whole point. You can read the code, audit exactly what it does with your data, and you're never one acquisition or one pricing change away from losing the tool your team depends on. That kind of consistent, visible track record is exactly what makes a self-hosted tool safe to bet a real workflow on. What really sets Plain apart is how much it bundles into one place. Most teams stitch their process together from 4 or 5 separate subscriptions, and Plain folds all of that into a single workspace. You get projects and cycles for planning and running sprints with velocity tracking built in. You get modules and epics to break big initiatives down into shippable chunks. There is a full wiki, so documentation lives tied to the work that created it, instead of rotting in some forgotten doc tool. Plain AI brings context-aware agents that can read across your projects, and on top of all of it, you get every view your team could want, from Kanban boards to spreadsheets to Gantt charts to calendars. The product team plans in cycles, the engineers live in the board, leadership watches the Gantt and the dashboards, and nobody has to export anything or reconcile 3 tools that disagree with each other. It is one source of truth, one tool instead of a stack of them that you pay for separately and glue together with brittle integrations. And the numbers behind the project tell you it is healthy, which matters a lot when you are about to self-host something. More than 52,000 stars. Over 4,600 forks from people building on top of it. A broad community of contributors pushing code. And 56 releases shipped, with the latest landing just weeks ago. The whole thing is licensed AGPL 3.0. Put together, that is the profile of an actively maintained, fast-moving codebase, not some abandoned repo you're gambling your team's workflow on. So here's that real reason teams switch, the one I told you to remember. With Jira and Linear, your data and your entire roadmap live on someone else's servers, and the bill grows with every single seat you add. Hit a few hundred users and you are looking at real money every month, forever, for software you do not control. With Plain, you own the deployment outright. Self-host it on your own hardware, run it in the cloud, or lock it down completely in a fully air-gapped environment for security-sensitive work. You never pay a vendor per seat again, and your data never leaves your walls. That ownership, the control over your cost and your data, is the whole pitch. For a startup watching its burn rate, or an enterprise with strict compliance rules, that is not a small detail, it is the entire reason to move. Everything else Plain does is just a very nice bonus on top. Now, let me be straight with you because nothing is completely free of trade-offs. Plain is licensed AGPL 3.0, which is strong copyleft. For the vast majority of teams just running it internally, that changes nothing at all. But if you take Plain, modify it, and offer that modified version to others as a hosted service, the license can require you to share your changes back. Worth knowing before you build a business on top of it. And while the self-hosted core is genuinely free, the official cloud does have paid pro and business tiers for advanced features and managed hosting, which is fair since that is how the project funds development. The bottom line is simple. Run the core on your own hardware and it stays free and open source. So if you're done paying per seat for project management and you want your team's data back under your own roof, Plain is a genuinely strong open source alternative that is ready to use today. The repository is linked right in the description with a Docker setup that gets you running in minutes. Spin it up, kick the tires on a real project, and then tell me in the comments which tool Plain is replacing for you, whether that is Jira, Linear, Monday, or ClickUp. If this saved you a subscription, subscribe to the channel because I find a new open source tool worth your time every single week.